Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing skin and gear. This sets success. Clean, dry skin removes oil so tape adheres without lifting. Once done, test one small strip on clean neck skin for 30 minutes to check for sensitivity. This prevents sleep disruptions. Next, position a mirror and sit upright so you can see jaw alignment. Make sure you have scissors and tissues nearby. Now you're ready to cut and orient the tape for the first application. You cut 2 or 3 strips and round the corners to reduce peeling at night. First, position a central strip under the chin to gently support the lower jaw, then add 1 or 2 lateral strips along the jawline to keep the mouth closed without forcing it. Press each strip firmly for 10 to 15 seconds to ensure contact. Avoid stretching the tape so it doesn't pull skin. Once applied, check comfort and breathing. You're aiming for secure closure, not constriction. You finish by choosing a sleep position that keeps tape effective. Back or side is best, and avoid very humid rooms that can loosen adhesive. In the morning, remove tape slowly while applying oil to the edge if it resists. This protects skin. If you experience redness, itching, or breathing difficulty, stop using the tape immediately and allow skin to recover for 24 to 48 hours. Consult a clinician if symptoms persist. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.